Habiba, Ramla bint Abi Sufyan, was a woman from the tribe of Quraysh at the time of the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him. She was married to a man called Ubaydullah ibn Jahsh, a wealthy man also from the tribe of Quraysh. Both she and her husband accepted Islam and were of those who made the early immigration to Abyssinia, following the advice of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, to be under the protection of the Negus of Abyssinia. Unfortunately, while they were in Abyssinia, her husband Ubaydullah apostatized and accepted Christianity and became an alcoholic. Although Ubaydullah was the only male relative she had with her in this foreign land, she made the decision that was pleasing to Allah, and she divorced her husband, as she knew a Muslim woman could not remain married to a non-Muslim man. This was a huge sacrifice she made for the sake of Allah. Habiba stayed in Abyssinia by herself for a few more years after this, but Allah did not ignore her sacrifice. A few years later, the Negus sent a servant to Habiba to tell her that Muhammad, the messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, wanted to marry her if she would agree. She was overjoyed at this and accepted his proposal and became from amongst the mothers of the believers, may Allah be pleased with them. She left a man for the sake of Allah, and Allah gave her a man that was better. In fact, Allah gave her the greatest man who ever walked the face of this earth. Peace and blessings be upon him.